Welcome back to a very special Freshwater Fishing Novice first. It's Freshwater Fishing Novice Friday. My name is Moles. I'm the Freshwater Fishing Novice. So this is the Freshwater Fishing Novice YouTube channel. I'm doing my very first unboxing from one of my subscribers. I consider him a close friend at this point. We video chat. We tried to do a podcast, but we had some speed bumps issues, and he sent me something in return, which I did not expect. Very sweet of my subscriber, Brett. Brett, you didn't have to do that. Thanks, dude. We're gonna be unboxing this box and see what Brett sent me this week. I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys are as excited as I am to open this box. I can't wait. I'm gonna grab a knife and we're gonna start cutting into it. Small blade right here. Whoa. I really hope this is not a pipe bomb that's set to go off as soon as I open it, because one, that will be the end of the Freshwater Fishing Novice. And if you guys see this footage, it's post-mortem. Be after I'm dead, if I don't publish it tomorrow with more footage after this, opening this part up. That didn't work. This is more of a chopper than it is a slicer. Oh yeah, here we go. What? There's another box? This is like a Russian nesting doll. Are you guys seeing this? That's... I gotta open this? Never pull the knife towards yourself. All right, so we got a rag right here. I'm gonna use that for sure. I got a Wise Angler hat. I'm definitely gonna be rocking that. I'll just put that there. Free newspaper? No way. Dude, Brett, you didn't have to. He's got, come on. Thank you. It's, how much more is in here? This is, what am I gonna do with all this? Ooh, what do we have here? So I'm gonna put that up close. Mountain Traffic Hoppy Red Ale. Put that right there. Yeah, how is your shipping so much cheaper than my shipping? This is Ignition Double Indian Pale Ale. Two Shies Brewing. What is the alcohol in this? What's the APV? 8%? What the hell? See you later after that. 7%, so it's still got a bang to it. Dear Lord. All right, what do we got here? Tracer Hops Double IPA, 12 ounce, 8%. Some strong beer. I have a feeling we're gonna be making a podcast about those beers. That's it for the box. So let's take a look at these lures. I got a bunch of spoons right here. Now, Brett has told me he has had a ton of luck on spoons, and in the years that I've been fishing, I have not had luck on spoons. So I was asking him questions, because if he's had more luck, he knows how to fish them. I don't understand how these work. Do I put them on a barrel spinner? Do I tie a line directly to it? Like, how do you do it? I don't get it. Do you guys know how to do it? If you do, leave it in the comments down below so I know. Or if you want to see Brett talking about how he fishes these guys, like this video. Brett, thank you for the spoons. We might have to make a video where you're showing me how to use those. What do we got here? We got trout bugs, cream lures. These guys are sweet. If you guys ever have used these, I've used these before, but on very light gear. You can't use it on like a medium rod. It has to be a light or an extra, like an ultralight rod. It's as close to fly fishing with a spinning reel as you'll get. I am going to use these, probably go into a creek. And the other thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go use those spoons under Brett's advice is where I should go fish them. River, large lake, trolling, how do I make these things work? All right, freshwater fishing novices, new viewers. Hope you guys like seeing the lures that my subscriber Brett sent me. I don't know if you guys enjoyed my first unboxing. I'm excited to use these lures, but I'm definitely going to be talking to Brett to find out how to do it. I can't wait to try these beers once I get them cold. It's part of the podcast, Sipping with the Dixons. I'll leave a link to Sipping with the Dixons in the description below. You know what? Don't want that in there. Oh, dude, this hat's tight. Brett, thank you very much for the hat, the beers, the lures, and for being my buddy and my subscriber. I hope you guys like this video, my first unboxing. I appreciate the views. I appreciate the comments. And if you really want to help out, you can subscribe, hit that bell notification, make it turn from red to gray, and it will help other new novice anglers find my channel and hopefully become better at fishing. Thanks for watching the Freshwater Fishing Novice YouTube channel. My name is Moles. I'm the Freshwater Fishing Novice, and it's been Freshwater Fishing Novice Friday. I hope you guys have a good weekend. Catch you next week.